There is another option that the data is coming from other systems that you want to be, quickly synced towards or imported within the HubSpot platform. Let's say if there is a non-HubSpot form and someone is entering the information or the user information and it's signing up the instance, so you just want that data to be directly imported or synced towards HubSpot. So in this option, you will connect an app and explore your closest integration here from the marketplace. And you can, let's say the data is coming from Zoho CRM, so you will just hit click and integrate that. Whenever a system or a contact is created within the Zoho platform, it would automatically be synced towards the HubSpot import as well.